Good morning, students. How are you all? Today is Friday. After one day you will have holiday, you can take rest, correct? And yesterday we were talking about the circus, correct or not? What people do in circus. There are some animals, they play in circus, they are trained to play in the circus. They do various types of tricks, correct? Animals are doing tricks, there are human beings. Clones are there. Clones means what? Clones are the people, those who do makeup and they wear new dress, correct? Not new dress, they wear different dresses, and those different dresses make them beautiful, and they are called clones. Now clones also you can call them jokers, correct or not? What they do? They do makeup of their face, they put hat, and they have colorful dress, correct? There are some girls who play swings. Swings are very high, correct? There are two swings. One swing is caught by a hand, and there are some swings on which you can stand, correct? So there are swings in the circus. There is cycle in the circus, correct? There are motorcycles in the circus, correct? There are some nets, and there are some what we call like staircase, correct? What it is called, like steps. Steps are there, hanging steps are there, and then you have to walk on those hanging steps, and then from there you can jump. There are many tricks. And in yesterday's lesson at the circus, when you go in the circus, what you do over there? As an audience, you see all types of tricks of animals, you see tricks of human beings, how they train animals. Lions are used in circus. Then more dogs are used in circus, elephants are used in circus, they dance and they do different types of tricks. Monkeys are used in circus, girls are there, they wear colorful dresses and they do various types of tricks, correct or not? So in this way, when you go in circus, what do you see? That is told in this lesson. And we studied there are two clones, one clone is fat, one clone is thin. There are three girls. From that three girls, two girls are standing on the swing on one side, and one girl is, what she is doing? She is hanging. She has hanged herself. She is hanging on the swing, correct? Then there is a seal. Seal is a water animal. What that seal is doing? Seal is balancing ball on its mouth. What it is balancing? It is balancing ball on its mouth, on its nose. And that ball is of which color? That ball is of red color. More, what is there? Come on, tell fast. What is there more in the picture? And there is a girl who is doing cycling. One girl is there. What she is doing? She is cycling, correct? There is one clone. Clone means what? Joker. What he is doing? He is skipping. Skipping means what? There is a rope, and that rope you skip. Understood? And then in this way we have seen, and there are audience who see the circus. There are audience who see the circus. Can you see? Yes. And now total 9 sentences are there, and from these 9 sentences, now look, we have to select 6 sentences, and that 6 sentences you have to write down in your notebook. Now which are those 9 sentences? There are 2 clones. Both the clones are fat. Third one, the girl is cycling. What girl is doing? The girl is cycling. Fourth one, the swings are high above. Fifth one, the seal is balancing the ball. Sixth, there are 3 girls on the swings. 2 swings are there, so plural is written, okay? Not one swing. 2 are there, so swings. Swings means what? झोका. सील म्हणजे काय? वॉटर ॲनिमल. आणि तो सील काय करतोय? बॉल बॅलन्स करतोय. त्याच्या नाकावरती काय करतोय? तो बॉल बॅलन्स करतोय. 7th one, the boy has fallen from the rope. Now there is boy standing on a rope, and what they are saying? He has fallen. Now that boy has fallen, or what in the picture? Can you see? The boy has fallen, or what? No, he has not fallen. He is balancing. But what sentence they have given? The boy has fallen from the rope. He has not fallen. 8th one, there is a very little crowd. Now in picture too much crowd is there, yes or no? Lot of crowd is there, this side also people are there, that side also people are there, crowd is more. So this sentence is also not correct. And the last one is the ball is red in color. What is color of ball? The ball is red in color. See in the picture, the ball which is on the nose of seal, it is red in color. Yes, it is red in color. Now what we have to do here, it is read the 9 sentences given below. Already we have read. वाचले की नाही आपण 9 sentences, सगळे 9चे 9 sentence आपण वाचले. Read the 9 sentences given below. Out of this, from these 9 sentences, 6 sentences describe the picture. And find out those 6 sentences and write down them. ते काय करायचे, ते 6 सेंटेन्स शोधायचे आणि ते काय करायचे आपण लिहून काढायचे. ओके. नाउ वी विल राइट डाउन विच आर करेक्ट सेंटेन्सेस. देर आर 2 clones, 2 jokers are there in the picture. Yes. So first one, there are 2 clones. These are answers, huh? Answer A. Now second sentence is correct. How what? Both the clones are fat. No, they are not fat. So this sentence is not there. The girl is cycling. Yes, the girl is cycling. Is she cycling? Yes, she is cycling. So this sentence is correct. Now third one, total how many sentences we want? किती वाक्य पाहिजे आपल्याला? 6. From that 2 I have written. Okay. Now third one, the swings are high above. Swings are high. अरे ते झोके 2 swings are there. 2 झोके तर ते वरती आहे का? Yes. So fourth answer is correct. The swings are high above. It is correct. Fourth one, now more 3 are left. The seal is balancing the ball. Yes, it is correct. So I am writing the seal is balancing the ball. There are 3 girls on the swing. 1 girl is on one swing and 2 girls are there. Total 2 plus 1, how much it will become? It will become 3. So this sentence is correct. Yes, it is correct. Fifth answer is there are 3 girls. How many girls? 3 girls on the swing. On the swings. 2 swings are there, so swings. And only one sentence is correct. The boy has fallen from the rope. No, it is wrong. There is a very little crowd. No, crowd is more, so this sentence is wrong. And the last one is the ball is red in color. What is color of the ball? The ball is red in color. The ball is red in color. So we have got all 6 answers. And what you have done, तुम्ही चित्र बघून काय केलेलं आहे, सेंटेन्स शोधलेत कोणते सेंटेन्स बरोबर आहे. चित्रामध्ये चित्र वाचन करतात की नाही तुम्ही? येस ऑर नो? इन फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड यू विल स्टडी इन मराठी चित्र वाचन, चित्रलेखन. What you have to do, चित्र वाचन means what you have to see picture, and that picture you have to see, and after seeing that picture what you have to do, you have to write down what is there in that picture and which sentences are correct. Now these 2 sentences are wrong, 3 sentences are wrong. Okay, these 3 sentences are wrong. So what we have done? We have done correct picture reading. What we have done? We have done correct picture reading. And in this way we have completed our lesson number 5 of English grammar. What we have done? We have completed lesson number 5 of English grammar. Now what you will do only one thing. Write down name of a lesson at the circus and write down this question. Okay, only write down this question. I will send you photo. मी काय करेल, तुम्हाला फोटो पाठवल ह्या पेजचा. अँड फ्रॉम दिस 9 sentences only 6 sentences are correct, and that 6 sentence you will write down in your notebook. Write down name of a lesson on new page. Write down this question. Correct? After writing this question, what you will do? You will write down these 6 answers. Understood? I will send you photo of this lesson. And in yesterday's period I have not sent you yesterday homework because of what? Because we have not completed our lesson. आपण काल आपला लेसन संपवलेला नव्हता किंवा झाला नव्हता, संपला नव्हता, म्हणून मी काल तुम्हाला होमवर्क दिला नाही. ओके, so I have not given you yesterday homework, and yesterday's lesson and today's lesson we have completed. What was name of our lesson? At the circus. I don't know whether you have seen or not circus. Have you gone or not to see circus? There are chairs, benches are kept like this in round, and then it is fully covered with what? It is covered with cloth. करेक्ट, कापड असतं, कापडाने पूर्ण कवर केलेलं असतं. I don't know whether you have seen or not. In Ratha many times it has come circus. 4 to 5 times circus has come in Ratha. Now this year also in summer vacation circus would have been there in Ratha, but because of coronavirus the circus people have not come. But please go and see circus. If you have not seen circus, please tell your parents. After some days you can tell, after some months you can tell your parents that mummy I want to see, or papa I want to see, or parent you can tell mama papa I want to see what? I want to see circus. What is circus? And now it is not possible, so what you can do? Go on Google, search and write, click over there circus, and on YouTube you will able to see various types of circus. Okay, correct. And there is one movie, there was one serial also in olden days of circus. In this way we have completed our lesson at the circus. Tomorrow we will study lesson number 6 of English Bal Bharati, make words. What we are going to study? Lesson number 6, make words. From from letters we are going to make what? We are going to make words. That we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.